buddy Kev came over and put the last little handrail on. TIG welded it. That was the second to last piece, and then he put the scupper cover on and welded out the drain. That's the 2-inch drain from the fish tank. So I'll be able to just wire wheel that up real quick, start painting. So I got the stainless pull in for the 9-inch screen, got the bracket mounted for that. Got all the wires in. I didn't realize how many different wires. That's the Nemea 2000. That talks to all the other Raymarine. This is an external speaker, power, coax. And this is the aft mic hookup, because I have a mic that's out in the back deck over on the other side of this. I'll show you. And this is the hailer on the roof. And of course the wires are adding up down in here and everywhere. So this is the remote Ray mic. So I'll have remote VHF, and it works off the VHF that will be mounted up front there, which is a Raymarine Model 70. And this has most of the functions on it. You won't get everything, but and then it just disconnects right here real quick and simple, a little turn knob. And then this is a waterproof USB plug-ins. So if I want to put something out here, like, you know, I got my Raymarine 7-inch that goes here. And if I want to put another laptop or my mini iPad, Apple iPad that I have nav on also, I can plug it into there and have power. Never enough computer plug-ins. I have my radar arch mounted here, and this is how it'll lay down when we're traveling along the road. So it keeps the height not much higher than the front brow, then all the antennas lay down. The radar will be such that it quick connects off that fitting up on the top, and it'll have another fitting right here to slide it onto to hold it while we're traveling down the highway. Once we get out in the water, of course, we flip it up, and there's a pin that goes in there. It rotates down on that pin. So I'm just finishing that up. That antenna is my Wi-Fi booster, so when we're in a harbor somewhere, we can pick up Wi-Fi better. This is just AM, FM. That one over there is going to be for the Raymarine. That little stub there is a Raymarine electronic compass GPS sensor. And then this is the VHF that's laying way down on the side. So I got my power for the radar and stuff that I still have to feed underneath and then down through. This was my professional carpet install look. I had to strip down from my coveralls to my long johns and t-shirt so I wouldn't overheat. So we got the carpet done in the little cubby berth here. Those clamps are about ready to come off because I wrapped the carpet all the way up and under and around the back side even. And up there is LED lighting. You can see the LED lighting. There's a red and a white underneath there. That lighting, of course, will shine down into the void here. But all of it's carpeted up top. And this is a wool carpet. That cutout there in the corner is for the battery access. It's over right there. And then that's the form of the hull there that we had to allow for. But that's an actual hatch there that comes up out of the way so that when I'm setting the batteries in, I can get back and forth there. So got the carpet in. I'm gonna put a wood trim on this one. And then I'm gonna put a wood trim on this edge here. And so I got the pieces getting ready to put them in here, all done. And then I got a tray that goes in here, our shelf I should say, and it'll be finished off. And up above is a piece up there. And then that's my stat wire, because I'm gonna put the thermostat up at the corner up there. And then this gets a wood face on this, and it's going to stick up a couple inches, just something to keep stuff so when you're stacking stuff up in there, it doesn't want to roll out. This is looking down into the sleeping cubby. So this is underneath the dinette, and 2-foot entrance in width. Got us our good old grab safety bar. Trimmed it out with some of the Aframosia, top to bottom. I got some more of these nice stainless hooks. They're all stainless. I found them on Amazon. They're Sagmo or some silly thing. S-A-G, Sagmoc, M-O-C. Anyway, that over there is where the thermostat's gonna be at. And we got our little shelf. So when you step down here, you got about 33, 34 inches of room. And then that down there is a little area to put your butt on to sit, so you can sit down and put your socks on and off or whatever it may need. So I trimmed out underneath. And then I got my got the corner or the side piece on. So it's a nice little shelf area. So now I'm just going to cut these edges, some trim for these edges here to protect them, or protect people's heads, I should say. Piece along here. And that's pretty much out of the way. I left screws out on the bottom over here. That piece and the second one up. That's a chase through there for all my mechanical and heating duct that go into the bathroom. Also my glycol and some electrical, so I can pop those off with just taking the screws off. Take this piece, right, pop it off. I got access to that chase back there. It's a pretty good size area. But that's about the only thing I'd have to get into down the way here. But nice big area, 52 inches wide on the floor. And then from right here at my foot, which is the step down area, from there forward is 7 foot. And then we got 33 inches of headroom. So it's a pretty big area, nice and bright, which I think makes it so it doesn't feel claustrophobic. So there's LED lighting underneath there. Then there's a spot over in the far corner for a reading light. And there out in the front there is actually an opening I got to cut in. Just cut the carpet because I got a hatch in there. And that's access to a little mechanical chase area underneath the forward foot area.